crap! I've lost everything. Bitcoin right now is in free fall mode. And I have to be honest with you guys, I was not expecting this to happen, and neither was Obama.
Michael and Jason Casper and I, we were not expecting this to happen.
But Jason, this morning you were bullish looking for long trades. Yes, guys, I was bullish looking for a long trade. I actually did take a long trade as well. Obviously, that trade ended in a loss. But here's the thing. Taking losses is simply just part of the trading game. And at least I can say I am one of the channels that actually puts my money where my mouth is. When I'm taking long trades from the setup given in advance from $91,000, in the Casper Crew VIP Discord when I was looking for this level for a long time. Then we took the trade, or the short trade from $106,000, set up given in advance in the Casper Crew VIP Discord at jasoncaspertrading.com. When I'm looking for a trade, I am going to be taking that trade if I see the confirmations that I want to see. So I saw what I wanted to see at 96K. We didn't get the bounce. We're starting to get a big dump, heading towards the lows that we made on Sunday night. And the question right now is, what is happening to Bitcoin? Are we going to hold this level that we're at right now, or are we going to see lower prices? So we're going to be discussing all the different scenarios and how I'm currently trading this price action. So make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell for notifications, because we are bringing you the juiciest and the Trumpiest videos here on YouTube.
Make sure to like and subscribe to Jason Casper. He's the best YouTube trader in the world. He's getting huge. Shout out to the Casper Crew.
So here's the deal. Yes, we have a confirmed hidden bullish divergence on the daily time frame as we came to make this low on Sunday with a regular bullish divergence coming down around that $94,761 level on Bybit. And here's what needs to happen right now. We need to hold this level for more upside. This really is make it or break it for Bitcoin right now, because if we're going to lose this level, very, very bad for two reasons. Number one, it is now multiple lower lows and lower highs ever since we got this big bounce. We've been making a high, a low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, and making a lower low. If we don't get a liquidity grab here, meaning just take a stop hunt and then pump, very bad. The second reason why this is so bad is because in my earlier video, pretty much every video I've been making since Sunday, the 2nd of February, we've been saying that this is the key level right here, right? 97.3, the POC of the range. This is the key level. And especially today, I wanted to see the daily candle close above that level. So far, as you can see, the daily candle is doing a miserable job closing above this level. All right. So what am I looking for right now? Well, the first thing you need to be looking for as a trader is simply a liquidity grab of the weekend low. What do I mean by that? A fake out. The candle comes below with a wick, closes above with the body actually confirming above that yellow line at 94,671. If we don't get that, well, then I have to say, unfortunately, guys, the probabilities are that we're going to come down and take the low that we made here on the previous Monday, February 3rd, 2025. And so is there any hope for the bulls? Let's talk about the Bitcoin price. Well, first of all, we've got red dots printing on the 6-hour, the 4-hour market cipher beat. Here's what I'm looking for an emergency life support bounce. We've got the low from Sunday at 94,671. Right now, what we want to see is we want to see a wick below on the 4-hour, 6-hour, and then a candle close above that level. This is called a swing failure pattern, or as I like to call it, a chickens drinking water pattern, all right? That is one of the main things I'd be looking for right now. Why am I looking for that? Because we've got the money flow coming up. We've got the momentum waves coming up here, giving us that coveted uneven butt cheek pattern with the gravy, the ravioli in the left cheek, the right cheek, no gravy, no ravioli, low calorie, low carbohydrate, low fat, low macronutrients. Okay, that's called a bullish divergence. And so if we see this, well, that could give us our push to the upside. Remember, the hypothesis here since the 13th of January has been, we made our low, we took all the liquidity here, flushed everybody out, and then we changed market structure. We came down for our higher low, and we're basically looking for this inverted head and shoulder type pattern. It's not really a inverted head and shoulders, but that same idea to play out to the upside. So this is really the last hope for that at this key level, right? If we start to close the daily candle below this, unfortunately, guys, I'm going to be looking down toward the low mid 80s. Why? Because we've been saying for a long time, this is simply a sideways range. The high is around $108,000. The low is around $85,000. Pretty much Bitcoin, like all assets, mostly trades sideways. We're in an 8-month range after a large move to the upside in early 2020-24. We traded sideways for a long time. Then we got a 50+% move to the upside after Trump got elected, and now we've been ranging sideways for 90 days. And you can just see a clear low and a clear high. And so if we're not going to hold the midpoint of the range, And if we're not going to continue with the bullish market structure, then the probabilities say we come down to the low of the range, taking out that low that we made on January 13th. And I got to give a major shout out to the Casper crew, because not only were we ready and prepared to take this short when we came up to the $106,000 level, but we were also ready and prepared to take the long trade from the very bottom here at $89,700 set up given in advance. And here's the thing. Regardless of what the price action does, the most important thing that we need to be doing as traders is we need to be identifying the key levels and the different types of situations that would get us into trades. And if we're doing this consistently over time, yes, we're going to take losses sometimes, but in the long run, we are going to be profitable and consistent doing this. And so right now, what we need to be aware of is either a fake out scenario right here from Sunday's low, or in my opinion, we actually look for a little bit lower, potentially even taking out that low from January 13th, coming down to the $85,000 level. Now, are there other opportunities, other situations that could arise? Yes, but right now, these are the main ones that I am currently looking for. We do have some bullish signs on the chart. We are building some bullish divergences here. However, again, market structure is king. And so if we're seeing candle closes below the POC of the range, and if we're seeing candle closes below Sunday's low and we're not getting the reclaim, then the probabilities say lower is more likely. Now, again, I'm not a Bitcoin bear. I don't believe the bull market is over. I'm looking for new all-time highs coming in the spring, the summer of 2025. So I'm looking at this all as an opportunity, but I wanted to come in, make you guys a quick update. So that's it for today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, click the bell for notifications. Make sure to sign up for BLOFIN, WEEX, MEXC, Bitget if you want to be trading these coins along with me. And if you want to join the best trading community in the world, check out JasonCasperTrading.com. Click the link to join the best trading community in the world. May God bless you all in the name of Jesus, Yeshua the Messiah. Even if you are not religious, I still pray you and your family are super blessed. And I'll see everybody in the next video. Peace!